AI for Beginners, a comprehensive guide. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is revolutionizing the way we live and work. For beginners, understanding the foundational concepts of AI can be both intriguing and beneficial, as it prepares you for the future. To start, think of AI as the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. This capability can be observed in various applications, from virtual assistants to advanced data analytics. Understanding AI begins with its types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, or weak AI, refers to systems that are designed to perform a specific task, such as voice recognition or image classification. These systems are prevalent today and are often more efficient than humans in their designated tasks. On the other hand, general AI, or strong AI, aims to replicate human intelligence across various domains. While we have not yet achieved general AI, advancements in narrow AI continue to expand rapidly, laying the groundwork for future developments. To grasp how AI works, it's essential to learn about algorithms and data. Algorithms are sets of rules or instructions that guide computers in processing information. In AI, machine learning algorithms recognize patterns in data, allowing systems to learn from experience and improve over time. Big data plays a crucial role in this process, as AI systems require vast amounts of information to train effectively. Think of it as feeding a plant with nutrients. The more quality data an AI system receives, the more it thrives and grows in capability. One of the exciting elements of AI is its real-world applications. AI is not just a futuristic concept, but a reality accessible to everyone. Industries, including healthcare, finance, and education, harness AI to improve efficiency and decision-making. For example, AI algorithms analyze medical data to assist in diagnosing diseases, ensuring quicker and more accurate health assessments. In finance, algorithms identify fraudulent activities by recognizing unusual patterns in transactions, enhancing security. By understanding these applications, beginners can appreciate the profound impact AI has on everyday life. As a beginner in the realm of AI, starting from the basics empowers you to engage with this dynamic technology meaningfully. Online resources and courses offer a plethora of knowledge without overwhelming jargon, guiding you step by step. Embrace the excitement of AI, as it demystifies complex processes and opens doors to endless possibilities. As you delve deeper, remember that every expert was once a beginner, and your journey into AI can lead to incredible advancements in your personal and professional life.